Welcome to Classroom Driving Lesson 4. Understanding your vehicle controls before practicing. What are vehicle controls? The vehicle controls are the following: the accelerator, the foot brake, clutch, gear lever, handbrake, steering wheel, indicator lever, windscreen wipers, headlights, switch and beam selector, and a hooter. There are two types of vehicle controls. They are foot controls and hand controls. Let's take a look at foot controls for manual vehicles. So what are vehicle foot controls for manual operated vehicles? It's an accelerator, foot brake, and clutch control. In an automatic vehicles, the controls are accelerator and foot brake. Remember, there's no clutch control in an automatic vehicle. Let's look at the summary of the foot controls. The main purpose of your right foot is to control the accelerator and the brake, and the main purpose of your left foot is to control the clutch. It is therefore important to use the correct foot for the correct pedal. This will help you control the vehicle and to drive smooth and safe. Accelerator and clutch use summary. Clutch and accelerator are used in conjunction. Use the accelerator together with the clutch when moving forward. Apply light pressure on the accelerator while engaging the clutch. Once the vehicle is moving, gradually increase pressure until reaching enough speed to change gear. Keep your foot steady on the accelerator, avoiding moving it up and down. For smooth driving, always use accelerator gentle and progressively. Brake summary. The brake pedal is located as shown in diagram 3. Brake pedal is always located in the middle between the clutch and the accelerator. Use your right foot for braking and accelerating, alternating between the two pedals. Please remember only to use your right foot for braking and accelerating. Try to finish braking before turning the vehicle. Do not shift to a lower gear to assist braking. Never slam the brake pedal. This can cause brakes to lock and lead to loss of control. If the brakes lock, release pressure and then apply the brake gentle again. Clutch control summary. The clutch pedal is located as shown in diagram 4. This is the clutch pedal next to the brake pedal. Always use the clutch for changing gears. The left foot is dedicated solely to clutch operation. Smooth clutch operation is essential for safe driving. Press the clutch quickly but release it slowly. Never rest your foot lightly on the clutch pedal. For better and safe clutch control, keep your left foot on the floor when not using the clutch. When slowing down or taking a corner, follow the correct sequence. Brake first, then clutch. This concludes our lesson. Be safe on the road. Be a responsible driver. Please avoid road traffic accident. Words of encouragement. Learning sharpens the mind. It can transform your behavior because you know better.